position of 2 points relative to a given line. That is, with that first theorem, the point P x1 y1, Q x2 y2 lie on the same or opposite side of the line ax plus by plus c equals to 0, according as L11 by L22 greater than 0 or less than 0. So for that, here we may get two cases. One first case is both points are opposite side of the line. Second case is both points are same side of the line. So first case I am taking 2 points are opposite side of a line. The 2 points P x1 y1, Q x2 y2 are the 2 points. So by joining this line segment, the line divides with some ratio internally at some point R. So then we know that one R value we may get by section formula. So R divides PQ in, I am taking M is to N ratio. M is to N ratio. So that is M is to N ratio. By section formula you may get or not. So that is R equals to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So it satisfying the R value in the, it satisfies the equation L equals to 0. Substitute there. So a times of mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n plus b times of my2 plus ny1 by m plus n plus c equals to 0. So simplify, you will get some value. So how may I simplify this one from this? So already we learned this one previous at very beginning. So that see here, this point satisfying that one, R point satisfying the L equals to 0. Now the ratio of this one, find out the ratio of this one. Observe that ratio M is to N is positive because of the point is divides internally. So the ratio is, by solving this one, we already solved, so I may explain directly. M by N equals to minus L11 by L22. So ratio is positive means, what is positive means greater than 0. So we may write minus L11 by L22 is greater than L0. So that is, so minus value greater than 0 means, so we may change that one, that is L11 by L22 less than 0. So this is the condition for the 2 points lies either side of the opposite side or either side of the line. That is, condition is L11 by L22 less than 0. L11 by L22 less than 0. So next, case 2. In case 2, what do you want? The points in the same side. So points are, case 2, points are in the same side. So now observe that one, the R is divide this line segment externally. Divide the line segment externally. So externally dividing means the ratio should be external division. External division means we may get ratio should be negative. So m by n is less than 0. So already we get m by n is minus L11 by L22 less than 0. So that means L11 by L22 greater than 0. So observe here, the points are same side of the line, then L11 by L2 greater than 0. So L11 by L2 greater than 0 means both are having same side. So points are same side, they have same side. Previously what you got? L11 by L22 less than 0. The points are opposite side, their signs also opposite, because of L11 by L22 less than 0 means what both are having opposite signs. This is the position of 2 points relative to a given line. So the next concept is some equations relative to if for suppose an equation you have to find out parallel to one line, perpendicular to one line, and parallel and passing through one point, perpendicular passing through one point. So these 4 concepts we may learn now. So we know that a line which is parallel to other line means it have only difference at the of constants only. So line equation which is parallel to ax plus by plus c equals to 0 is, I am taking ax plus by plus lambda equals to 0. This parallel line. For suppose this line is passing through one point, that is x1, y1. That is x1, y1. So it is passing through the x1, y1 means it may satisfy that one or not. So that is ax1 plus by1 plus lambda equals to 0. So that is from this lambda equals to minus of ax1 plus by1. These two will transpose here. So what is our parallel line which is passing through the x1, y1 is, so we may substitute the lambda value, we will get the required equation, that is ax plus by plus, so what is this? Minus ax1 minus by1 equals to 0. So from these two I am taking a common, so ax minus ax11, so x minus x1, plus from these two I am taking b common, b times of y minus y1 equals to 0. This is the line which is parallel to ax plus by plus c equals to 0 and passing through x1, y1. Right. Now second case is line which is perpendicular to ax plus by plus c equals to 0 and it's passing through the one. First perpendicular line we may see now. So the line which is perpendicular to ax plus by plus c equals to 0 means we know that one. The perpendicular line slope is minus 1 by this line slope. That means first suppose m2 equals to minus 1 by m1. So required line slope is m2. So you write the perpendicular line slope minus 1 by, what is the slope of this one? Minus a by b. So minus a by b, that is equals to b by a. The slope of the perpendicular line is b by a. Yes or no? Right. So now what do we want? Slope is b by a. So one point you know. So for that, what is the perpendicular line? From slope intercept form, we may get the equation. That is, I am writing y equals to mx plus c. So here intercept c I am taking. So slope is b by a. Substitute there, y equals to b by a times of x plus c equals to c. So cross multiply. So it is ay plus, so ay equals to bx plus ac. This constant I am changing as a lambda. That means bx minus ay plus some lambda equals to 0. It is a perpendicular line to ax plus by plus c equals to 0. For suppose it is passing through the x1, y1. Substitute there, that is bx1 minus a y1 plus lambda equals to 0. That means lambda equals to a y1 minus bx1. Substitute here bx minus ay plus, in place of lambda, ay1 minus bx1 equals to 0. From these two you take b common, b times of x minus x1. From these two a you take common, a times of y minus y1 equals to 0. This is the line equation which is perpendicular to x plus by plus c equals to 0 and which is passing through the x1 y1. So we may change little bit, b times of x minus x1. So I am taking minus common, a times of y minus y1. So if you write plus here, you write y1 minus y. If you write minus here, so it is a times of y minus y1.